In front of me is iPad 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you don't have microphone icon at the bottom left corner, you need to access devices settings and hit General. Then scroll to hit Keyboard. Scroll again to click on this switcher next to Enable Dictation. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and manage those options, like your language. When you're ready, go back, access your keyboard again and tap on this microphone. Then choose whatever you want to in the pop-up and start typing. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!